Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on your iPhone. Of course, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect app. For this to work, once the devices are paired, we need to check if the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect app. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, let's scroll down. Right here, find the Garmin Connect application, tap on it, and here we need to allow some permissions. We need to allow the permission for the calendar, allow the permission for the notifications, so tap on notifications, make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone, tap on more, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select the Epix. On this page, tap on notifications and alerts, then tap on smart notifications, and here we can enable or turn off the notifications. So let's tap on general use first, make sure that the status is enabled if you want to turn on the notifications, and here we can customize some of the settings. We can tap on type of notification and turn on the notifications itself. We can turn on the sound for them or turn it off, and turn on the vibration or turn it off. That's for calls. Next we have text. Then we have applications. Let's enable sound for them. Below the apps we have privacy. Here basically we can enable options like press start and wrist gesture. Basically, I believe this option, what it does is, if you receive the notification and you have the one of the options selected, they won't be displayed on the screen until you press the start button or perform the wrist gesture. Okay, and at the bottom we have timeout. So basically how quickly the notifications will disappear from the screen of your watch. You can select one of the three durations. Okay, we can do the same for the during activity. So basically when you're tracking some activity, when you're performing the activity, you can customize it for that. And you can do it the same as for general use. Okay, once you're done enabling the notifications, you should be able to receive them now. So I'm gonna send myself a Discord or rather message on Discord, my bad. So let's open the Discord. Write message. As you can see, I got the message on our phone and also on our watch. If you missed the notification on your watch, you can simply wake up the screen on your watch, swipe downwards from the top of the screen, and you should see the notification widget right here. You can tap on it, and here you can check the notifications. You can remove the notifications by swiping left on them, tap on them to view the content, and once you click the notifications, they will be gone, as you can see. Okay. And to disable the notifications, simply open the Garmin Connect application, go to the device page again, select the notifications and alerts, smart notifications, and here select the general use or activity, disable the notification, and disable the notification. And now when I write the message, I will get it on my phone, but won't get it on our watch. And that's how you enable and disable the phone notifications on this, or rather for this smartwatch on your iPhone. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.